कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। The Jeev is the अंश of the Ishwar. Ishwar अंश जीव अविनाशी। ममैवांशो जीवलोके. So Jeev is the अंश of the Ishwar. And being the अंश or the part of the Ishwar, Jeev has lot of powers. Is all power of Ishwar present in some percentage. And that is the Ishwaratva of the Jeev. It has lot of power. When I say power or Shakti, what does this mean? Shakti means the ability to focus on some higher object or ideal for a long time in spite of difficulties. Again, the Shakti or the power of the Jeev is its ability to focus on some higher ideal for very long time without interruption, in spite of difficulties, so that he becomes that ideal. He loses the small and almost becomes that ideal. Or the ideal comes to him. So ideal becomes the protector, revealer and lover. Again I'll repeat. The power in the Jeev. What did I say? Power in the Jeev to focus. Focus means give attention. Exclusive, intrinsic, uninterrupted attention. Again, exclusive, intrinsic, uninterrupted attention for a long time in spite of outer disturbances, outer temptations. The ability to give attention is called focusing on some live ideal called God or Guru, so that the ideal doesn't remain at a distance. It comes to the Jeev, either merges the Jeev in himself and Jeev himself loses Jeevatva, or that ideal comes and three things I said. What did I say? It becomes protector, revealer and lover. This ability to focus, like you are focusing. If I say what action you are doing, you are not doing any action. You say I am sitting. Sitting is not listening. Although some only sit. So, but they are not listening. They are present, passively present. I hope nobody is only sitting. But what you are giving attention. You are giving exclusive attention. One word I say, you feel what is the next sentence. Next sentence I say, you see what is the third sentence. No? Third sentence I say, you see what next sentence. And who is a boring speaker? Boring speaker is that speaker. I may be boring sometimes, I'm not saying. Where after you hear a few sentences, after you don't want to listen next sentence. You lose your focus. Initially you focus. You go with lot of hopes. But few sentences were like that. You must have experienced. Here only. So after few sentences, so what is next sentence? Your desire, your attention is not there. You see watch, you see time, you see paper. You start reading the book which is there. When you give exclusive attention on a subject, that subject has some miracle in it. And that miracle is, it reveals its glory. Therefore I said revealer also. P-R-L. What is P-R-L? Protector, revealer, lover. Newton was Newton because he was finding out what is that through which the things falls on the earth. He gave attention on this topic, and then the gravitational law didn't come out. Gravitational law revealed itself. E is equal to mc square. Einstein didn't invent, he discovered. Penicillin was invented, it was there. Somebody gave attention to that point. Any scientist, whether he was one who made TV, what is his name? William, or the Wright brothers, who were never wrong. So, they only gave attention, and that ideal which was already existing in Hiranyagarbha, in the cosmic mind, that started coming, protecting, revealing and loving that person. So this capacity to give attention to the higher for a long time in spite of difficulties, because distraction everybody will have. This is the importance of any person. If any scientific achievement is there, it is only because of this. Medical science or aeronautical science or engineering, or somebody made the bridges, or somebody is making what is it called, advancement in the technology, or if some piece of a small chip this big chip can have thousands of songs. There was a cassette, you remember that? Who have seen those cassettes? Not the, you have seen the cassette. Now be careful, you are old, that means. So. Now be safe in this time. So, if you that cassette in which pencil was required always, not CD. That cassette, like that, there's a tape going like this. You have to move with the pencil, it was stuck. So, if somebody has achieved anything in this outer world, it is because he has more attention giving capacity in that area. If somebody is great scholar, because he could give more attention to his subject for a longer time. Sanskrit I also study, you also study. What is the difference? I means anybody, don't say personally. If any great person will study or a knowledgeable person, he can study Sanskrit for 4 hours, 5 hours. And he can pay attention on each word, take out what is the root, what is vibhakti, how this verb has come, what is kridant pratyay is there, what is tumun is there, what is this is there, shaknoti is from which conjugation. He will go through it, excluding everything. Other person in 5-10 minutes, he'll close the book. He will be struggling with satau te tam tau tan only. And because it doesn't give attention, not that subject, therefore subject has gone far away from it. Subject also, Sanskrit Devi said, I won't come to you because you don't pay attention. And if you keep on paying that farthest subject, like Panini was a dullard of the highest category, who is the father of grammar, modern grammar. What he did, he gave attention to Lord Shiva. For a long time, who couldn't write ka, kha, ga, ga also. Forget about by hearting anything. Don't think he made Sanskrit. Sanskrit already was existing. Vedas were there, Puranas were there. But he discovered what are the laws in that. He brought it out so that you can know what are the laws existing. What he did? He went to Kailash and focused on Lord Shiva for a long time. When you say tapasya, that means he gave attention to Lord Shiva. With this desire that my dullness could go away. And I also can understand, like other students understand Sanskrit easily. Lord Shiva said, you have done too much, your fruits are very big now. You will supersede not only this student, all students of all time you will supersede. So same altar became the protector, revealer and lover of Panini now. So Maheshwar Sutra, what you see, it is called Panini Sutra also. And whole Ashtadhyayi is called Panini Ashtadhyayi, which you study every day. It is my desire, some of the sutras you should know every time. Ashtadhyayi, if you have not studied, that is too technical. The dullard Panini became super genius Panini. That today also when I read this sutra, I get dumbfounded by the brilliancy of that sutra. Ayurveda Sutra, which you have heard. This capacity in a person to give attention to the higher is called dharma. Through which you give attention. And what is a dharma? Ulta kallo. You are giving attention to some lower topic for a long time. That is called a dharma. Anger is giving attention. You cannot be angry unless you are focused. I told you earlier also. Angry person is a very focused person. In the lower area. He can be angry for 5 hours, 4 hours. Maybe one day people are angry for whole life sometime. Calm person now doesn't give attention. Calm is very focused area is there. He can give attention on calm vritti for a long time. Whole life he can give attention every day for 5 hours, 10 hours, we can give attention of calm vritti. What's wrong in that? Wrong is when your attention on the lower is spilling out, dissipating. You don't have energy to give attention. Attention to the lower takes you to delusion, Your capacity to think goes away. That is called delusion. You are blindfolded. Addiction, delusion, confusion. और बोल रहे नहीं ठीक है बस. There's sometimes devastation. Right? Who drinks? Before drinking, not drinking water, drinking wine, I mean. He gives attention, he thinks about that bottle. He thinks about the taste. And he thinks when I consume, what nice. What, I will be another world will be there. Arab. दम मस्त हो गया. Oh wow. What happened? Purnamadaha. Swami Ji. Purnamadaha. Purna Madaha. Swami Ji. Purna. Midam. Ah. वाह वाह क्या बात है. पूर्ण पूर्णमद पूर्ण मी दम पूर्णात्. क्या हाल हो गया. That giving attention, you have not seen all this, I have seen it. I will tell only what I experienced, I saw that. Because such person comes sometime, he saw me, he sat in the satsang. So met outside. Because last he heard Purnamada Purnamida. Second line he forgot. And he continuously, Swamiji, Purna Mada. What a rag is there in that? Madha Purna. Madha is Mui and this Mad is Purna. Wow. What the Upanishad says is very nice. Madha is this intoxication, is Purna. Purna Mada. I said, where this is greatest Sanskrit scholar you are coming out? Madha Purna. अब क्या हो गया आपका? You gave attention to a lower object and lower ideal. You became drunkard. Attachment means on some lower person you give lot of thought. He is very good, she is very good, very good, very good. If I can get it. You give so much attention. So your capacity to give attention to the higher is gone. And in your life, because of lower attention point, what happened to you? You became addict. Don't think only drug addict are there. Boy addict, girl addict, son addict, daughter addict. Don't think they are not wines, they are difficult wines to live. We'll laugh on a drunkard, but I feel this is also being big. Drinking is only there. I cannot live without my son, I cannot live without my daughter, I cannot live without my servant. They are also a kind of drink. More difficult to live. So because I have become addict, I have become deluded, I have become destroyed. I am worthless.
Supposing I hate you, after that I'm hating you, therefore I'm not able to give higher attention to something. I'm too attached to somebody, now I'm not available for Guru now. I'm not Guru Bhakt. Why? Because I'm gone. To be Guru Bhakt, you have to give attention to that Guru for a long time. Guru Bhakt only thinks only one vritti is there. What is the joy of my teacher? How is he? What is the joy of my teacher? This vritti continuously flows. Guru seva gaya prokta dehasyadakshayo vataha. Guru seva is like gaya and body is like akshavat. Got my point? When you don't give attention to the higher, you are giving attention to the lower. When you give attention to the lower, your intellect is blindfolded, destroyed, deluded. You are a slave for something. There is nothing called worry. Worry is nothing. A person has developed to give attention on the insecure side of his life without issue. Something was wrong in my life. I had a disease, financial problem. My mother was not well, father was not well. I thought, how will I tackle it? I'm giving too much attention on that lower topic for a long time. That is called worry, and that has sapped my energy. I'm a worry addict. Kami is lower attention given. Krodhi is lower attention given. Ragi is lower attention giver. Dveshi is lower attention giver. And this is all a dharma. Why? System wants give attention to higher. सुन लो ध्यान से आप. Give attention to higher. When you are in the ashram, what is the demand? Demand is not that you eat and sleep. Give attention to studies. Give attention to talks. Give attention to sadhana. Give attention to your puja. Give attention to your meditation. But I don't have that attention to give because already my attention is spilled out from 10 different places. So adharma is the one through which you don't have energy left. You don't have attention left to give to some higher area. And therefore, protector, revealer and lover is gone in your life. And destroyer, blindfolder, addict is inside my mind. When you say this person is now, spoiled. Spoiled means what? He is addict to something. He does something wrong which can't stop. And when you are living with a person, you have to give attention to him. Dhyan dena. You live with the person, you have to give attention to him. To him means to what his needs are. But I cannot give attention because I am already somewhere locked. You don't live with the furniture. You live with the person what you need. You need medicine, you need. Therefore, dharma patni word was used. Not kitchen patni. Not kitchen patni. ठीक है. Not saas patni. Why dharma patni? If the pati is going here and there, he is digressing here and there. Suppose she is supposed to give higher thought to that husband. Only what about pati? We'll talk about that bit. Why? Because you are supposed to have that, you have to give higher thought. He is very low, then you have to bring him again. You cannot be so low and so dull today. So when you are living with a person, he wants, okay, give me some, can you give me attention to something bigger in me? And this is what constitutes the dharma. And the vritti are required through which you can do it. If Gurudev was Gurudev because he gave attention to Gita, gave attention to thousands of people, millions of people. Chinmaya Mission is the gross product of giving attention to higher thought for a long time by Gurudev. Again I will repeat. Chinmaya Mission is the product of Gurudev's giving attention to the higher need of learning Gita or Ramayana, etc. for the people of the world, for higher, longer time. This attention manifested as the canopy, as the protector, revealer and lover called Chinmaya Mission, of which one branch we are sitting here and we are basking in that attention what he gave. That attention what he gave is coming back to us as protector, lover and revealer every evening, every morning. Oh, I did not think like that, son. Let me write it. What did you say? No, I won't repeat. Oh, please, once. Oh, no, I won't say that. I already said twice or thrice. There are so long sentences. I was lost in seeing you. Sometimes I see I can't write. I could not write what that drunkard, what did it say, Adha? No, you did not write that. So, it is not to make notes for. This Bhagavat, what is this Bhagavat? Which is in your hand. Some of you don't have. This Bhagavat is the attention given by Shukadeva Ji Maharaj on the Leelas and glories of Lord Krishna and the principles of life for 7 days continuously. Right? For moksha of all people of all time. For bhakti of all people of all time. After thousands of years also people will hear and read Bhagavat and listen Bhagavat. Is it not an attention? What is Bhagavad Gita then? Bhagavad Gita is attention given on the principle of Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga by Bhagavan Krishna to Arjuna to take away his ignorance. Anything magnificent, sparkling, wonderful, blessing to everybody is result of somebody's attention, higher attention for a long time. Bhagavan was not distracted that he started some chapter. Idam tute guhyatamam pravakshyam manusuyave. Hey, wait a minute. Horse came. Mahabharata was there. Horses were, they were neighing also. They will not stand and they were moving also. Horse will move. When horse is there, not two horses. Lakhs of horses were there. And this elephants were also there. And Bhagavan got distracted so much. Idam tute guhyatamam. That elephant is doing bathroom. अब भगवान forgot, बोले गलत क्या था? एकदम तो it is like our chanting now. ये तो अपनी chanting हो गई फिर. इदम तुते गुह्यतमम. Somebody did namaskar वो मैंने किया था. Pravakshyamyanusuyave jnanam. Not that he had to give a lot of gap in between. He forgot. It was a continuous. It was Gita. It was song. He was not looking here and there. It is exclusive attention given. Idam tute guhyatamam pravakshyamyanusuyave jnanam vijnana sahitam yajyatva moksha se shubha raja vidya raja guhyam pavitramidam uttamam pratyakshaavagamam dharmyam susukham kartum avyayam अश्रद्धधाना पुरुषाः धर्मस्यास्य परन्तप अप्राप्य माम निवर्तन्ते मृत्यु संसार वर्तमनि. ये नहीं कि horse is there, an elephant is there, a person is there, a Bhishma Pitama is resting. Not that his mind was here. This is our style. Therefore he could give attention. A dharmic person cannot serve. Why? Because he doesn't have a capacity to give higher attention. He can't do long puja. His lower tendencies of laziness, काम, क्रोध will spill out his attention. He cannot serve teacher. Laziness will come, forgetfulness will come, anger will come, calm will come. They cannot serve, because serving is long time you will give attention. He'll get angry, or he'll get lazy, or he'll himself become calm. While serving food, he'll say, very nice food is there. Hope Swamiji leaves this. This halwa, if he does not eat, he'll get all. Or if this, what is it called? Puri does not have. Arey, listen, what? Get me some more puri. Puri? You cannot give attention. Dharma is a procedure. Don't worry, nobody does like that. I'm just saying. I'm not like that, Swamiji. I'm not so bad. I'm not that good also, but I'm not so bad. Don't worry, I'm not saying for you. I'm just saying. But I've gone so many places, these things do happen. These things do happen. A child is there, he doesn't know. A baby, he's there, he comes and he stands there. First, Namaskar was not coming. When food comes, he is close to me. And he is standing and he is seeing everything. And as I am eating, he is seeing my face. Then I say, bhai, bring one plate, give to me. Children should be first fed. This is our law. So children also should be given. He doesn't know, he's too innocent. He doesn't know. He can't. And then they are saying, hey, serve Swamiji. Ab he took the plate and started eating. No, he got one slap because he started eating and sabji utha ho gaya. Not in front of me, he was taken outside for overhauling. Now he is screaming up, they are holding the mouth. Go, keep quiet. Swamiji is inside. Why the scenes are there? I collect all for my talks. Why you are angry, you are lusty, passionate, lazy, egoistic. Give me higher attention. नहीं है ही नहीं, क्या दोगे आप? You are a sleepy person, you cannot sleep, get up with me, cannot sleep after me, you cannot give me attention. You cannot press my feet. I cannot press my Gurudev's feet. I have my own project, I have my own agenda. Lakshmanji was Lakshmanji because he had the ability to give higher attention to, not to his wife and not to his ego, he could have got the kingdom. Dharma was there. Dharma blocks the lower attention loopholes. Got me? And that which blocks is mentioned here as from 26 shlok. Demand of the world is very different. World doesn't see how much you can, what you know, how much you have, what you know, what you have, then what one wants. Bolo? What you can give. You may know or you may have it, I don't bother about it. Can you give to me? Can you go to the institution? This is where dharma enters into life. And if this is not there, the person is now as good as what? Nothing. And somebody is criminal or mad because he gives so much attention to something cheap that he wants it at the cost of giving sorrows also. Let us read now. Satyam Shaucham Daya Kshanti Tyaga Shaut Santosha Arjavam Shamo Damastapas Samyam Titiksho Paratishrutam Jnanam Viraktirashwaryam Shauryam Tejo Balam Smritihi Swatantriyam Kaushalam Kantihi Dhairyam Mardamamevacha Pragalbham Prashrayashilam Saojo Balam Bhagah Gambhiryam Sthairyam Astikyam Kirtirmano Nahankritihi Ete Chane Cha Bhagavan Nityayatra Mahagunaha Prarthya Mahattam Ichatpihi Navyanti Smakarhichita. What does this mean? We saw Shaucham, Satyam, Shaucham and Daya Vishnu. Next is Kshanti. Kshanti means what? Kshama. Kshama means what? Understand, because this is very much required. And very oft comes Teja Kshama Dhriti Shaucham. Devi Sampatti also it comes. Because Kshama means that when you live with anybody, definitely person will do wrong. There is nothing called totally 100% you are right at all times. In all ways. You should not be born if you are so right. God will not make a mistake. You will definitely do wrong. And we are such creatures. We do wrong in talking, wrong in thinking, wrong in eating, wrong in understanding. And when you live with others, others notice your wrong point. Your wrong point is not unnoticed. And it is possible that to somebody you are doing wrong. You are doing wrong to somebody means? You are giving pain. And maybe that person is sentimental or mental, whatever. He takes more pain than you gave. Egoistic person. You gave this pain, he enlarged it. Ego is a pain enlarger. To agar any humble person you had given pain, you would have forgotten. But egoistic person you gave pain. So you gave 2%, he made it 200%. बड़ा मजा आता है सब देख के कि how this person. Now what shall I do? It is not possible that you have not given pain to anybody, or I have not given pain to anybody. Let us be honest. Naraha parchidrani vilumatrani pasyan. Others' mistake he sees as a big melon. And his mistake, which is bigger than the melon also, he sees as a small sesame seed. My mistake was Swamiji small only. Ask him, your mistake, ask him who went through your mistake. It is not possible that somebody will not hurt you from time to time. Again slowly says on this. This is a very important topic for me. I get hurt very much. Because my heart is hard, therefore I get hurt. When heart is hurt, I get hurt. All three come together. Hard hurts. See, this flower is there. I drop it, didn't get hurt. If I throw also, it won't break. But that glass, it will break into pieces, splinter. So understand what is Kshama very well, very much required. Especially if you grow old. Grow elder, not old. Elder. You will have this problem. What is the meaning of Kshama? When you live with person's nature will be like that. That he may hurt you unconsciously, consciously, whatever the case may be, subconsciously. Then what shall I do it? How shall I take it? So that your attention, you don't give attention. Don't miss my main point. You should not be attention giving to the lower issues. Then God is gone now. Then Guru is gone now. Dharma is gone now. So that, then how should I take it? You treat that mistake as insignificant. So difficult, Swamiji. Insignificant. He did such a big mistake against me. I think insignificant. God won't think it as insignificant. God will punish him one day. And I should see him. That means you have not forgotten. This is beef. Dekho, dhyan dena. Please get my point. Somewhere fire is there, I saw. Somewhere fire is there. Coal is burning. All cauldron is there. Taking that fire and keeping in my room. You have to see that thing repeatedly. Something is outside, you don't see it repeatedly. Outside this tree is there, I don't see. But what is in my room, I see 100 times a day. Forgot my point. Some shlokas you will see written in my room here and there. Now I write less. Earlier, a lot of shlokas were around my room. Full of shlokas, all walls. Washroom also. Everywhere shlokas. Why? Because in while walking, you must have also kept in your room. I see sometimes some of the shlokas, but the same shlokas there in the last 5 years. Change the shlokas. So when you walk, I see the same cupboard. When I walk, I see the same book. Why? It is in my room. Outside thing I don't see. See, somebody's fault is there. But when you keep that fault in your mind, you will be powerless. Right? Why powerless? Because you are thinking on something, you are giving attention to something very small. That means you don't have love for higher. Supposing, when we were small, somebody was going for giving examination. So, 8 o'clock was examinations. And he ran with the scooter. On the way, somebody just like, hey, foolish person. He shouted on him. This boy was going to give exam. He saw him, got angry. 7:45 we had to reach the campus. This was 7:30 already, and they were shouting. Somebody was knowing him. Tell me, should he stop and reply, or you should give the exam? You should just give the exam. What do you say? Avoid him. Forget about him. We'll see later on. Let's first complete the exam. When you don't have any exam to give in your life, you give attention to all insignificant matters. You have no attraction for anything bigger. Somebody will hurt, but it is not for you. So first phase, I don't take it. Shama is not an option. It is a necessity. It is mandatory. Between husband, wife, children, mother, father, anybody. You cannot survive without that, because the other person will do some mistake. And supposing you are egoistic person, then the smallest mistake will hurt you, or maybe you can manufacture mistake also. But as I told you, ego is mistake magnifier. Others' mistake meaning magnifier, and our mistake meaning minifier. Wow, what English is. My mistake is very small, your mistake is very big. This is the ego's work. And second thing what ego does, it keeps it in the heart, keeps, underline capital. And remembers it repeatedly. And blocks his opportunities. He is not a higher attention giver for a long time. Because he is busy in giving attention to that small issue. Ravan could not serve Ramji. Why? Because he was giving attention to other issues. Kekai could not love Bhagwan Ram because she gave attention to mantra. Both were there in front of her. And Ramji could give attention to all rishis, to Dharma, to Agastji, to Valmiki, because he didn't give attention. There was nobody called mantras in Kekai's mistake lingering in his mind. There was no place to think about that. So Kshama means that which makes you capable. You are not a small-hearted person. You move ahead. It's an insignificant matter. But you repeat it. No, he did like that day. He said like that. I was going there and my clothes were hanging there. He took away my clothes like that and put his clothes. And my clothes were not still dry. It was still wet. This is a very bad habit he has. One day with the same clothes I will tie him and hang him somewhere. Hanging on the same string till he is dry. 100 times I told him not to take away my clothes. When I asked him, why do you do that? He said, no, it was dry. It was dry, he said. All the time, Keep quiet. And if I say Swamiji, he will say, no, you are wrong, you are wrong. Improve yourself. I keep quiet only. I'll put money string somewhere else. I'm searching a place somewhere. But everywhere there is alarm now. Someday I'll put some electricity in that. He will put and he'll get a shock. Because you have become a very cheapy person. Don't happen, this has not happened. I'm just making some stories here and there so that these things do happen. In the houses also it happens. You keep it in the mind and it is over. And you go in the room. I don't talk to him. Let him do anything. Book is open, Gita, you have to chant Bhagavad Gita. Dharma Kshetre, I don't like him. I tell you, I'm not living here just because Swami. Dharma Kshetre, Kuru Kshetre. Too much is going on. I can't tolerate. Samaveta Yuyutsava. Too much is there. I can't read. Every day troubles. Every day. God will not forgive. I don't want to take breakfast today. Straight away I will lunch. You are too much attention giving on. Very insignificant matter. Guru is neglected, God is neglected. That is called sorrow. Now you have no heart. Body you are doing puja. Heart is not there. Body to complete the puja and complete the jap. Heart is remembering him only. When you are doing jap, you are more angry. Because while doing jap, all hidden anger also comes out at that time. If you do long jap, then what angry issues are there? That all remaining jobs come up. And all anger comes up. अब क्या जप हो रहा है? भगवान will come and give one slap. So this is Shanti. Like the Shivling has all the time Jaldhara, therefore in my heart, everybody is there. Anybody who has harmed me personally, I will not think about that, because I also have made a lot of mistakes. I have no issues. My heart is ready to embrace you. This is biggest test of saintliness, is how much you accept and embrace. Who does not accept you? उमा संत के यही बड़ाई, मंद करत जो करे. Very difficult. But we are. Therefore God doesn't love. I told you, no, Devaki ji could forgive her Kans for killing them. I told one day. He forgave Kans also, who killed 6 children. Vasudev ji forgave Kans. When Kans, after Yog Maya flew away from his hand, he came to seek forgiveness. Read in Bhagavad. And not once she shouted on Kans. And Vasudev ji said it was our prarabdha, what can you do? I have no vengeance against you. Tell me why. Can you tell why? Because in their heart, only Krishna Dhara was there. And therefore, seeing these qualities, Bhagavan used to prostrate to Devaki ji. He earned that. Earth is, therefore, Earth, Prithvi's one name is Kshama. Mother's one name is Kshama. Teacher's one name is Kshama. No teacher can be good teacher unless he has infinite forgiveness. No mother can be good mother if she is unforgiving. Therefore, you hear the story that Bhrigu wanted to test who is the best, and he went to Brahmaji. He said something. Brahmaji said, "Get out." Then he went to Shivji. He said, "You are not ashamed. Parvati ji is sitting on your lap." Shivji, they were Trishul. He said, "Marenge, pakad." Then he went to Vishnuji. He kicked on his chest. Vishnuji held the feet. He said, "Oh my God, you must be having pain because my chest is harder." He said, "You are the greatest." Just a story. Don't worry that Shivji is smaller. This comes in Bhagavad also. To have lordliness, you to have forgiveness. Forgiveness is the lordliness. Anybody who personally does, I'm not saying who hurts the community or the country. That for the laws is there to take care of him. But personally, if somebody has attacked me and I am hurt personally by somebody has attacked my ahankar, somebody has, then I don't keep. More you have this, more you are quieter, and your meditation will be good, your bhakti will be good, and most important, God will be very pleased with you. Because Kshama is a Devi. Ya Devi Sarvbhuteshu Kshanti Rupen Samstita. The Kshanti is Kshama. It's not an optional thing, it's a mandatory thing. You will keep on burning. You will be good for nothing only. You cannot focus on your studies. What to do? I have always think he is mine only. Who has done mistake? He is mine only. Therefore, if he has to be punished, first I should be punished. Give punishment to me. This is saintliness. And this is how relations are bound together. Every day I tell you a mistake. You will run away from me. And if I have to tell you a mistake, remember one thing. You must have seen me. I will love you first, then tell you a mistake, then again love you. If I have scolded anybody, then you will definitely get embrace. If you want to get embrace, why? Because it is not, the sense of otherness is not there. It is not, then keeping the fault in my heart. Make your heart available. Next word is Tyaga. What is Tyaga? Very important. Also, sannyas also already I told you. Sannyas also already I told in 2-3 classes. वही है त्याग भी यहाँ पे. What is Tyaga? For something higher. I have something lower in me. I cannot leave that because I am pained to leave it. Going through the pain of leaving something lower for getting something higher is called Tyaga. I will say slowly, what did you say? Going for higher, lower, what did you say? No, I am saying I think I should keep a translator. Nowadays translators are there. Automatically voice is converted into text. But I think that also will feel in seeing your fast speed. No, I am saying Tyag is the capacity for going to something bigger. You are ready to go through the pains of something, leaving is smaller. Every jeev is born with lot of smallnesses. He's not a simple jeev. When I see a small child, I feel very sad. I said, Bichara, how much he'll go through in life. First he will go to the school. It will never be cool. People will call him fool if he is not good. What? He will bullied. He said, no, he bullies. People bully them. Then you don't know what marriage is, he will get. And his own nature. बच्चा बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में. गोल 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 चौबी 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 बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. After that becomes papad. Don't see me. I am saying for something higher. Not for something higher. For something higher, you are ready to go of pain of leaving the lower. So when Jeev is born, he has physical weaknesses. He wants comfort. He has emotional weaknesses. He has mamta. Intellectual weaknesses, ego weaknesses. We are weakness punj. Like Purna Punj is there. We are a conglomeration of weaknesses. Physically, I have bad habits. Bad habits, yes. Why? What bad habits not there? Browsing only, unnecessarily browsing and playing with the phone. Or watching TV. After dinner I came. In my room, peanuts were kept. Sorry, one peanut you cannot eat. Just now you had stomach full. No space for. But for peanut and chips. You know. Everything I have to see all around me. Bad habits. Emotional habits are bad. I want to possess somebody. You are mine. Why are you talking to him? Why are you getting close to me? You are mine only. Don't get close to that person. I don't like that. I want to be with you. We'll live together, die together. तेरे बिना भी क्या जी? पूनम में खुशियों में अड़चनों की गलियों में कहीं कुछ तुम्हारे बिना अभी पागलपन है सब. We are born with this पागलपन. Last life also is a pagal. This life also that pagalpan is there. Thank God I have come in the ashram and satsang meditating. Then I get a jolt. The last birth also I was like a pagal kind of person. Then I also sang this song. I can't live without you, can't die without you. We will be together. I cannot live without my son. I cannot live without my daughter. I cannot leave anybody. Our family is together. यही बोलते बोलते खत्म हो गए. So a lot of emotional weaknesses are there. Anger तो पूछो मत. Behind me should be written highly inflammable. Like the tankers go, oil tankers. It is written highly inflammable. Around us, somebody just touched me. Hey. So much anger is there. High speed, erratic, hurting, blinding thoughts. So much are there. Nothing is no capacity, but ego is too much. Capacity, neither a person is look in the good looks are there, neither is knowledgeable person, neither is talented person. Neither he is brilliant student. Nothing is in him. Ego is too much. Hey, don't think I am small. We are born with this thing. We are not ordinary person. Intellectually, we don't have capacities. When you come, then what shall I do? न कर्मणा न प्रजया धने न त्यागे नैके. Do physical त्याग now. त्याग करो. हाँ. What shall I do? Don't move your hand and leg. When you are seated. Be straight. Yes, straight. Get up on time. Don't see here and there. Don't see like this. Physical त्याग. Emotional. Attached you are there. Leave attachment. Leave your anger. Why you cannot leave anger? Because you cannot go through the pain of leaving the anger. It's a pain involved. Keep quiet when you are angry. Don't make your face. Don't make your face. Don't see like this. See straight with love. Have a smile. Not like that. From painful attention, become a joyful attention giver. Don't be a painful attention seeker. Be a joyful attention giver. But he said like that. Gulp it out. I am pain. Leave that pain. Tyag karo yahan. Teacher scolded me. Teacher gave you a lot. Let him scold and kill you also. Even if he kills you also, then also you will go to Swarg only. Don't worry. त्याग करो उसका. किसका? ईगो का त्याग. If I can't do then you will be rejected, neglected. This world belongs to one who can give up, who can go through the pain of giving up. Getting up in the morning is painful. You get up and you will understand that, especially in the cold. And if you have not slept properly, you feel 5 minutes more. I'll get up at round time when it will be 4, like 4:35. Not 4:10. 4:10 we wait for 4:15. Get up now. Get up. Get up. I will like fall down. You fall down, doesn't matter. Get up. After going through pain, that pain doesn't appear a pain, and you are ready for bigger renunciation. Why difficult to please God? You know why? Why? What he wants? What he wants? Give up your ahankar. Because my nature is not ahankar. Give up your ahankar. If Yashoda ji was ahankari, Bhagavan Krishna would not have loved her. She did tapasya, Yashoda ji. Drona and Vasu. In Bhagavad it comes. Huh? Physical discomfort she went. Emotionally she said, I don't want anything other than God. She gave up the emotional weaknesses. Intellectual ahankar she left. Then Bhagavan Krishna came in her life as baby Krishna while she was sleeping also. Anybody can give very big fruit only by Tyaga. If anybody's nature is not good, he has not done Tyaga. If anybody doesn't have Guru, he has not done Tyaga sufficiently. If anybody can't do Jap, he has not done Tyaga. The pain of going through Jap, he has not gone through. If he had gone through the pain of doing Jap, he could have got over that Jap. But he cannot concentrate because you don't sit for a long time. You sit with Niyam, you will get over it. No, you can't meditate. No, you sit, you can meditate. There is a kast involved. There is a pain involved. Go through that fire walk. You will get over it. Half an hour you sit, 1 hour you sit. I told you, when I was 19, 20, I went to one saint. Remember that? Near Ganges. I said, I cannot meditate. He said, sit down. And don't move unless I say, Om. One snake was going. I said, my God, the snake comes here. He said, close your eyes. I closed, but the snake came, I opened. He took his big stick, he said, hit. I thought he's hitting a snake. He's hitting near mine. Can't you close your eyes? Hmm. 10 minutes passed. I said, now he will say Om. 15 minutes, half an hour. I don't know what happened after that. Mind totally got involved and totally relaxed and totally absorbed in the self. From 5 o'clock, it was 8:30, 8 o'clock. I didn't know time. Totally still. When he said, Om, then he said, go. First time I realized. Then he said, don't say now meditation is difficult. You went through that fire walk for half an hour, 45 minutes. The Tyag you did, in the house you would have got up now. Tyag is, if Lakshmana was not doing Tyag, do you think he could be Lakshmana? Everything big is hidden by not doing the Tyag. And when you go through the pain of giving up something, the joy of holding the higher is million times bigger than the pain of leaving the lower. The joy of getting the higher is million times bigger than the pain of leaving the lower. It's not that he is going through pain. No, pain is there for getting something higher. Tyaga. If Tyaga is not there, at all levels, physical, emotional and intellectual. And more anybody does Tyaga for you, more you will become happier with him. This is the law. No, I cannot do Tyag. If you cannot do Tyag, then the person is not, what shall I say? He didn't get anything. When you say, no, he gave me a lot, that means he went a lot because of me. Because of me, he went through a lot of troubles and pains. Therefore, I am here today. Bharatji went through lot of pains. to give joy to Bhagwan. Seva cannot be done without. Who's not Tyagi cannot do Seva. Tyagi at all level. Good student cannot be, if he is not Tyagi, he cannot be good student. You cannot give joy to anybody unless you have Tyag. As a mother, you cannot give joy. Mother has no life. No, something happened in the house, in-laws said, Hare Krishna, now the child is in front of you. Child is there, forget about everything. Teacher cannot be good teacher unless he does Tyag tremendously. Tyagi teacher is required. Egoistic teacher cannot be good teacher. Comfortable one who is after his comfort, he cannot be good teacher. Who is emotionally attached somewhere, he cannot be good teacher. He cannot demonstrate. To serve, to please Lord, to follow dharma. This is most important. And all sorrows are nothing but inability to give up something smaller. And somebody who is reveling in higher joy, he has the heroism and guts. What? To go through the pain of leaving something lower. वो हीरो था. The pain of leaving your ego, pain of leaving your mamta, pain of leaving your physical, somewhere pain is at all level. Bhagwan Ram, do you think he didn't go through pain? Sita ji did not go through pain. She could have said it straight away. Every time when Ramji said, go to the Valmiki's ashram, she said, no, I won't go. What wrong I have done? I will not do like that. She has not left her ego. Samarpit Chitta was not there. Surrendered mind, she would have stood. No, I am for my woman's right. I'll take her to the court now. I'll not leave Ayodhya. Let me see who can take me out. And if Lakshman ji had taken same chariot, you could have stubborn, she will come back also. Then her photo won't be in your puja room. Her murti won't be in the temples. Tyagi alone is Pujji, भैया. Samarpit Chitta matlab, if I am surrendering, it means I am going to go through a lot of pains to give you any joy. I can die 1,000 times, I can burn in the fire for you. Life fire, Bhagavan, I can burn for you. One poor person was there. Lord Narayan used to say, very nice person. Lakshman ji say all the time you praise him. Let me see. Well, no, he is very poor, but he has a lot of love for me. He can give up everything. See, he worships. Lakshman ji said, don't overpraise him. Ultimately, it was raining very badly, and what is it called? Ice, snow was falling. Narayan Bhagwan didn't change his form. He got wet as a Narayan Bhagwan. And he knocked the door of this poor person who had one oil lamp. He was doing puja. So he heard Narayan Bhagwan came. He said, Bhagwan, aap? He said, what happened? Well, I'm shivering because of cold. Wood is there? Wood is there? He said, no. He took that whole kerosene, poured on himself and put himself on fire. He said, I can burn. I can go through the pain of burning. For 1 second, I cannot see you sad. Cannot see you in any shiver. This is called Samarpan. Samarpan means I can leave anything. Even what is this small life? Life is like my one blade of grass in front of me. राम देखी बंधु कर जोरे देह गे सब तृण संत हो रहे. When Lakshmanji stood in front of Ramji that I'll go with you, he saw he's folding his palms and he said, everything is like the blade of grass. I'm meant to serve you. I can go through any amount of pain. This habit of going through pain is called tyag, for hire. It's a habit. It is joy. I get joy in going through pain for you. I don't like comfort. I don't like to be egoistic. I don't like to be mamta one. I want to go through a lot of pains for you. I want to be crushed to give you a lot of joy. This is called tyag. This was Sita ji, this was Bharat ji, this was Lakshman ji. Not that I have my own ways, I will live my own ways. I have my own comfort zone. I'm not compatible. ऐसे नहीं समर्पण होता भैया. भगवान कृष्ण left gopis. You know the story. 11 years he lived with gopis, never came once also. Never came once back to Vrindavan. And he said, I'll come day after tomorrow. He didn't come. Today also people don't use the word parso there because Bhagavan didn't come. His gopis used to run around, watch for him, cry for him, but never said bad for him. Yashoda ji never said, see, this is what Krishna did to me. He never came from Mathura also to visit Yashoda ji. Same Yashoda who did everything for him. Sitting on the door outside, only tears were there. Only this story. Here is where he used to eat butter. Here is there we used to jump on that tree. This is the Yamla Arjun tree. There is no story going on. Full of tears. Anand Baba, both were sitting together and just recollecting the memories. Not for 1-2 years, 100 years. 100. Not once this irritation was there that, see his nature. And later, best part, when he got married, they heard the news that Krishna got married. More happiness was with the gopis. At least somebody will be there to take his care now. He didn't think, why not me? And therefore, in the night, Bhagavan used to do the jap, Om Shri Gopyai Namaha, Om Shri Gop. This was his jap mantra. These chota mota people cannot do samarpana. This world is not meant for small-hearted people. Skin-hearted cannot give anything. This is meant for one who can give up everything. What is the physical discomfort? What is this emotional mamta? What is this intellectual ego? Insult in front of everybody. In front of everybody, Ramji asked Sita ji to go. If you remember Agni Pariksha. Not in private, that he called her in a room and said, this is what I don't feel, so let us part as friends. In front of hundreds of people around there. In front of monkeys. In front of all the demons. In front of Vibhishana ji, Hanuman ji, Sugriv, Angad. He is saying, you have lived for 10 years in Lanka. You know, I cannot keep you anymore now. That Sita who was crying for him whole life. And there when Agni Dev comes, then he accepts. Almost to show samarpana of Sita ji. Egoistic lady wouldn't have. He said, okay, go. I'm also going. Forget about me. This world is not meant for ego. It is not meant for physical comfort. It is not meant to be attached to somebody. It is not meant for it. You will have no place in the whole world. You lose all your place, all your joy. You lose Lord. Biggest loss is of losing Lord. There is no bigger loss than Lord doesn't consider you as your own. Therefore, Tyaga. Remember that giving higher attention. It's not easy. Do small tyag, then you can do big tyag. Brick by brick, the building is made. Do small tyag. Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sharanam Mama. बोलिए कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय। श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम हर नमः पार्वती पते हर हर महा